Grievances faced by general public as Passport Seva Kendra in Imphal has unable to perform its services smoothly due to lack of power backup. Our chief reporter Ketrimayum Premchand along with video journalist Beetle Yambem visited Passport Seva Kendra at Old Assembly Road and witnessed people waiting for 2 to 3 hours for their services as there was no electricity and no power backup. One of the staff revealed to SK News that the power disturbance frequently occurs at Passport Seva Kendra, which has affected its operations and caused distress to public. The individual stated that power backup was there before it was unfunctional since many days.
Pung baroga minute 45 tane ado mai nung nung aita ba dai aita pung ama muk thengdare na moi dam haibir ko ta
12:45 ta lao haiba ado sai na lao lai ne adu matam jo hojikti 1:41 ta khre adu mai ya da gi ni hai na ngai lai.
It is ironic that the passport office is unable to function properly due to power cuts. The relevant authority should address the issue promptly, especially since it falls under Ministry of External Affairs. With camera person Bital Yambem, this is Ketrimayum Premchand reporting for SKTV News, Imphal.